Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make collage maker in Adobe Express. So let's start it. At first, open your Adobe Express document. In this video, I will show make collage maker. Now going to the photo option, then click from collage maker option, then click for upload image. Now going to the file, now select from many picture from collage. Now select from 5 images. Now click for open option. Then we show the collage picture. Now going to the edit more option. Then we show this picture and remove and edit your need from edit. That it's now you can see make collage picture in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.